Right, so we are weeding the bed, aren't we? We're weeding the bed, and we found some interesting things.
That was Scarlett's carrot.
I see, with Scarlett's carrot.
Not Esme's.
We found lots and lots of carrots that were left over. What are we doing with the weeds, people?
Bidding them.
We put them in the buckets. Excellent. And we're making the bed ready. Oh yes, look at that, muddy hands. Well done, team.
Can I just go digging with my hands?
You can do. And over here, we are just starting to work on this bed here. Interesting. So we're continuing to find carrots.
Oh, sorry. Yay! Can I show my carrot?
This is good. You want to show me your carrot collection?
I've got 2 big carrots.
This
one
is-
looks like it's got a worm in it.
This is good. Look at this chopping. This is good. We have some hedge choppers. Give us a wave, hedge chopper. He's not in the video. He's decided that he's not, but he is, of course. But never mind. Right, back over here.
Yeah, it's there.
That's more like it. Look at that. What have you found?
Looks like a peanut.
A peanut?
Yeah.
You think you found a peanut in the ground?
Wait, let me see if it like. Yeah, I think it can. It feels like a peanut.
I wonder if a squirrel has got it from someone that they've put it out in a garden and the squirrel's hidden it. I don't know. It's interesting.
Open it. Yeah, open it.
Okay, what are you up to then?
So we've just built this massive thing. We've seen wow, really is massive.
Nice. Yeah,
And
out
now
of our
filling the
big bag
5
there.
kilogram one.
So you're just filling up the smaller tubs. Why are you putting them in tubs?
To give them to the bird.
The birdies.
Yeah. So why can't we just leave it in you know, these bags?
Plastic.
Why
Because
plastic?
it's plastic.
And microorganisms get into it. It's like. Oh yeah, no, the microplastics. That's what I meant.
We don't want other creatures getting into it, so we're putting them into these plastic tubs and
And
protecting
there's a
them.
lot of plastic tubs.
That is
Yeah,
very good.
thanks.
Very good. And who's
I'm
this?
praying too. Hi guys, it's Angel.
Thank you. So boys, what are you up to?
Extending the bed.
Extending this bed. We're making it a lot. Where's the edge? Where's the edge going to be? So it's going to go as far as that. That's quite an extension. I like it. And then what are you doing with the stuff that you dig up?
We're putting it in there and then we're going to make a.
We're going to make a turf wall. Nice with the stuff. Excellent. So, what have you found down there?
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing?
I found something.
So, what are you up to, Felix?
I am weeding the bed.
Weeding the bed. Nice. Who else have we got? Dax is pretending to do some work. That's good. Yeah. Look, his space not even. Oh, it is in the ground now. That's good.
And he's still
Very nice. Very nice.
And his.
Right, tell me what you're up to then.
So we've been like.
There's thorns everywhere.
Go on. So
Yeah.
We've been in there, if you can tell.
Yeah.
We've been doing some very good catching.
You have. What have you caught?
mint
Mint.
thingy, like aquatic mint.
Nice.
Can I have
Nice. It
that
does smell
smell?
nice. Yeah.
There's like a stick.
Stick and a load of mud.
Yeah.
It's exciting.
All the muddy.
Yeah.
Any creepy crawlies?
Oh, I found a worm.
Yeah.
She found a worm. I've not found anything.
Okay. Keep looking. Keep going.